In this video, we're showing you how to make this beautiful sweet amber glow swirl cold process soap. With warm amber tones and an elegant marbled design, it's the perfect project if you're looking to create a handmade soap that's as stunning as it is fragrant. Let's get started. Slowly add 139 grams of sodium hydroxide to 278 grams of distilled water, stirring carefully until the lye has completely dissolved. Next, combine 400 grams of olive oil, 250 grams of coconut oil, 250 grams of palm oil, 50 grams of shea butter, and 50 grams of castor oil in a heat-proof bowl. Gently heat the mixture on the hob or in the microwave until everything has fully melted. Leave them to cool until they're at a similar temperature to your lye solution. When both mixtures are ready, slowly pour the lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, pulse and stir until you reach a light trace. At this stage, the mixture will become slightly thicker while still remaining fluid enough for swirling. Stir in 30 grams of sweet amber glow fragrance oil, making sure it's fully incorporated throughout the soap batter. Divide the soap batter evenly between 4 separate containers. Color each portion with your chosen orange colorants, creating one dark, one medium, one light, and barely any color shade. This variation in color is what creates the beautiful layered swirl effect. Starting with the darkest shade, pour some of the batter into your mold. Continue adding the medium and lighter shades one after another, allowing the colors to naturally flow into each other. Once the mold is full, take a small stick or soap swirl tool and gently drag it through the soap using a zigzag motion. This simple technique creates an elegant marbled pattern running throughout each bar. To finish, leave the top smooth for a clean, modern look. Allow the soap to remain in the mold for 24 to 48 hours before carefully unmolding. Once firm, cut it into bars and leave them to cure in a cool, well-ventilated space for 4 to 6 weeks. This curing time allows excess water to evaporate and creates a harder, longer-lasting bar of soap. And that's it, your sweet amber glow swirl cold processed soap is ready to cure. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more soap making videos.